Hello everyone. Today we are going to explore the ClinPGx platform, a powerful resource for pharmacogenomics data. On the main landing page, you will find a concise introduction to the platform's mission, providing a centralized hub for the evaluation of PharmGKB and CPIC level evidence. Let's start with the CPIC section, Clinical Pharmacogenetics Implementation Consortium. Here, you can access comprehensive guidelines, gene-drug pairs, publications, gene tables, and other resources. If you select gene-drug pairs, you will see a list of specific medication matched with their relevant genes. One of the most important features here is the levels of evidence, right here, which is ranges from A1 strong evidence to 4. You can also view a dedicated column for FDA labels, indicating whether genetic testing is required, as you see, or recommended, or simply actionable for the specific drug. Next, let's look at the drug optimization guidance tool powered by PharmDoc. This is perhaps the most vital tool for clinicians. If you have a patient's genotype report, you can use this interface to implement evidence-based guidelines into clinical actions. You can click here for genetic test results and select gene, let's say CYP2C9. So for example, let's say you have a patient with a CYP2C9 star 3 genotype, and then view recommendation. By searching this genotype, you can see that this genotype star 3 and phenotype is poor metabolizer with activity score equals 0.0, and you have this list of drugs related to this genotype or affected by this genotype, like you see. Let's take CPIC as example. You can see the guidelines by CPIC here, and these guidelines say for CYP2C9 poor metabolizer, the CPIC recommendation suggests an alternative therapy or a significant dose reduction starting at 25 to 50% of the lowest standard dose. The platform highlights that clinicians should titrate upwards cautiously and monitor for adverse events such as blood pressure changes or kidney function issues for at least 8 days after the first dose. So this all from PharmDoc. Also, the platform features the GSI tool, which allows you to compare pharmacogenetic guidance from different international sources, including CPIC, DBWG, and the FDA. Let's take the same example for CYP2C9 star 3 and make report. You will see the same exact list of medication like that, but the difference from the previous tool that we have this table comparing the all guidelines from all resources. For CPIC, for example, CPIC have these guidelines, but DBWG not evaluated, so no guidance from DBWG. For another drug, like let's see, phenytoin. For phenytoin, all sources have guidance or guidelines relating to phenytoin. So this tool for comparing the guidelines from different resources. For researchers and labs, the platform can process VCF files from next generation sequencing by using this tool PharmGKB. By uploading these results, the tool can automatically identify pharmacogenic genotypes and infer star alleles. This automates the transition from raw genetic data to actionable drug prescribing recommendation. So this tool for researchers or labs. Beyond the clinical tools, the platform serves as an excellent educational resource. Under the Pathways tab, you can find detailed diagrams explaining the pharmacodynamics and pharmacokinetics of various drug classes, as you see. For instance, ACE inhibitors pathway illustrates the core mechanisms of the renin-angiotensin system, as you see, and we have this acetoaminophen pathway details the enzymatic process behind metabolism and hepatotoxicity. These are invaluable for students looking to understand the why behind genetic variability. So finally, let's use the search function here for complex drug like warfarin, for example. Okay, we can see this page. All these are articles related to pharmacogenetics of warfarin. We can click on prescribing info. We have this prescribing info related to CPIC and DBWG. By clicking on these links, you can see guidance for dosing. All this actually leading you to use one of tools for dosing of warfarin, online tools. By choosing drug label annotation, you can see another guidance from FDA and HCSC. By choosing variant annotation, you can see all variants that related to warfarin treatment. For example, we have CYP2C9 gene, which affect or must affect warfarin. We have about 471 variants related to pharmacogenetics of warfarin, and for CYP2C19 we have about 18 variants. Let's choose one of these variants, for example, this variant. Okay, this variant is star 3, CYP2C9 star 3. As you see, we have this diagram which illustrate minor allele frequency. Here the minor allele is C, and you have the all population frequency about 5%, and according to the population or ethnicity, you have African, the frequency of this allele in African about 1.26%. So you can use this search function to search about pharmacogenetics of any drug you want. So, whether you are a clinician looking for dosing adjustments, a researcher processing NGS data, or a student studying drug pathways, the ClinPGx platform provides a comprehensive evidence-based environment for personalized medicine. Thank you for watching, and please, if you find this helpful, don't forget to click on subscribe button.